Keep a drill bit in place using a wrench to mark the place and drop a little water to create less dust. Secure a wire making sure it won't break, placing a flat piece of copper around it. Cutting an irregular shape on a tile is not easy, and a small mistake can make the tile unusable. You can create easy hack to transport the exact shape with cardboard and wooden spikes. A piece of tape keeps the spikes in place while drawing the shape on a tile. Create a quick pipe tie for drywall with a nylon tie and a dowel. You only need a couple of nylon ties to level two tiles, as you can see in this video. With a little pressure, you can turn a piece of nail into a joint. Create a quick outlet on a pipe screwing a water valve before drilling the opening. Well, in this video, the man shows that how easily you can create designs in bricks also, using only hammer, as you can see in this video. Well, it's not a cup of tea for me also. A floor scrap that's the same width as the wood flooring can save your time when cutting a board to finish up a job neatly and quickly. No need for measurements. If it's also the same width as the columns, it can also work around these types of obstacles. Use this easy knot to prevent any kind of wires from being loosening. Well, now you get to know that how these types of designs are easily being made. Well, rather than putting any kind of blocks everywhere. Place a piece of a magnet under your gloves band to have many screws at hand while working. A compass with a marker is the perfect tool to follow and mark a circular shape. Create an improvised compass with a saw blade and a spike. Mark the radius and use the nearest tooth to make a perfect urile. This video shows that how easily, very easily you can create best designs with bricks also. As you can see in this video, just how this guy is making a fantastic designs, and these types of designs are unexpected designs. As you can see. Well, I haven't watched these types of designs in my life also. When doing a large tiling job, any help can make a difference and save time. Here, This worker used a grill to make sure they place the tile straight and with the needed space. In this video, well, this man teaches that how easily you can pick a load of bricks only just by doing this tricky technique. Well, this will help a lot easier for us and for the laborers also, but only if they get to know this. Here is a simple way of cutting a brick melted pyre cap, a variation of a herringbone pattern. A compass with a marker is the perfect tool to follow and mark a circular shape. Do you want best interior design for your home? Well, this man will solve all types of problems. Just wait it and watch it carefully. Using a little bit of clay or cement, you can result in great designs on the tiles. Well, in this video, this is how a chimney is being made nowadays, as shown in this video, as you can see. Take a 3M tape and put it into the floor. Take a PPE kit and be ready. Take a nice even spray all over the area, and then after that peel off advanced in 3M tape from there. Then put a simple tape on a corner of the wall to prevent paint to spread on other sides. Get a nice roller and then peel back off all the tape. Big holes for big tips. Drilling out the slab for the supply lines. And this video makes a call of small holes with a nice tips. This is how you can do that too. Even if you aren't a plumber, sometimes you just gotta remove or replace them. So this will come in handy. Just tape the clamp ends or Clorox wipe them afterwards. Hope it helps to you also. Well, these are the videos which I recommended that you should watch it before you die. So let's meet you with another videos very soon. Subscribe to this channel for more updates.